upon a star and never look back. Let's go to the place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you go with dreams that soar. Use the thunder in your heart to prepare you for the dark, because the path you take ends far from where you start. When it's time to spread your wings, you'll see that everything's in reach. You can change the world if you just believe. If you're feeling small, you can fly away. A new adventure's coming your way, and tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday. Let's go right where you wanna be, where the magic feels like family, and you can wish upon a star and never look back. Let's go to the place where dreams come true. You can be you and the hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you'll go with dreams that soar.
Disney Dreams That Soar is a special show. We are putting into the sky drones that take the images and shapes of our Disney characters. And we're doing this on such a grand scale that it's a first for us of this size of show in the sky. What I can't wait to see is when the show opens, to turn and watch our guests watch this experience in the sky. It is truly one of a kind, and I can't wait to see the families and friends, their faces of delight as they watch our Disney characters in Disney Dreams That Soar.
What I think is so special about Disney Dreams That Soar is the amount of drones. A typical drone show that we've seen with the Disney shows has been 500. We have 800 drones. And what I think is amazing is those extra drones help create constant visuals in the sky. The amount of drones really allowed us to make figures bigger than life, bigger than anything I've ever seen. The fact that we can have a Baymax figure and a Death Star that's bigger than the castle, bigger than Spaceship Earth is incredible. Really, you have to come out and see this in person. It's going to change how you imagine what a drone show could be. What I'm so excited about is that guests can experience Disney Dreams That Soar at Disney Springs. So you can visit, have some dinner, see a movie, and then watch this amazing show above Lake Buena Vista.